Welcome back. We will continue from here. Use of an artificial kidney during hemodialysis may result in A. Nitrogenous waste buildup in the body. See, the very purpose of dialysis is to remove nitrogenous waste. So this is absolutely wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. Non-elimination of excess potassium ion. Again, hemodialysis is supposed to remove excess ions. This is wrong. So the answer is C and D. These are correct. Option 3. So just in case if you don't happen to know option C, this is a perfect example of how you can arrive at the right answer by eliminating the wrong ones. So let's understand option C and D. If kidneys are non-functional, it will lead to reduced absorption of calcium ions from gastrointestinal tract. How is this statement correct? For this, you will have to understand a little bit about how vitamin D is produced in our body. We all know sunlight is essential for synthesis of vitamin D in our skin. The precursor molecule is cholesterol, the most hated molecule, and also the most misunderstood molecule, the most important molecule in our body, cholesterol. So sunlight will convert this molecule into cholecalciferol. Next step, this is hydroxylated in liver. Then third step is another round of hydroxylation to form 1,25-dihydroxycholecalciferol, and this happens in kidney using the enzyme 1-alpha hydroxylase. This is the active form of vitamin D. So sounds like calcium? It doesn't have calcium in its structure. It is just another modified structure of cholesterol. And just like steroid hormones, it has intracellular receptor. It has the ability to modulate gene expression, and it induces expression of special transporters called calbindin. So this is a transporter protein. It expresses on the surface of intestinal cells, and it will bind to calcium, which we consume in our diet, and helps in absorption. So indirectly, kidney plays an important role by producing the active form of vitamin D. And next statement was reduced RBC production. This will stimulate erythropoiesis, which is formation of RBC. So if kidney is non-functional, the hormone will not be produced and it is going to affect RBC production.